Time to open another Monster High doll. This time, it's Couture Clawdeen Wolf.
Wow, she is stunning.
Okay, she's out of the box. Let's take a look at her. I like the combo of the black lace socks and the high-heeled black boots with the gold. The face-up is great, except I'm used to her having yellower eyes. The dog color is everywhere on this doll, including her headband. Her hair is long and streaked with pink. I'm loving the lime green lining on this faux fur jacket. She has a dog collar, but also a black and gold mesh top with another top underneath. She has on a purple vinyl-looking skirt with black tulle below. Her purse has a dog collar and purple fur around it and a zipper. This is a multi-finger ring that says Monster. This high-heeled shoe chair says Clawdeen all over it. And now she can join Ghoulia and Cleo on the shelf.